Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine and you are doing your works, all the works which we are going to give. Yes, in time you have to do children. Okay, and now in the previous class we have finished our workbook part, second lesson workbook part we are going to write. In the previous class we have finished up to true or false. Yes children, up to true or false. And today we are going to write short answer questions. The 12th one. Name some eating habits that we learn from our family members. Yes, children? Yeah. Answer is here. We learn to prefer eating certain types of food. We learn to eat in a particular way. We also learn table manners from our family members. Yes, children? I am reading once again. We learn to prefer eating certain types of food. We learn to eat in a particular way. We also learn table manners from our family members. Yes, children? And the 13th one. How do people respect elders in some families? In some families. Yes, answer is on the board. In some families, people stand up when elders enter. Some people touch the feet of elders and talk to them with respect. I am repeating once again, children. In some families, people stand up when elders enter. Some people touch the feet of elders and talk to them with respect. Okay, children? Children, I am reading once again. 12th question. Name some eating habits that we learn from our family members. Answer. We learn to prefer eating certain types of food. We learn to eat in a particular way. We also learn table manners from our family members. I am reading once again, children. We learn to prefer eating certain types of food. We learn to eat in a particular way. We also learn table manners from our family members. Okay, children, the next one. 13th one, children. How do people respect elders in some families? Okay. In some families, people stand up when elders enter. Some people touch the feet of elders and talk to them with respect. I am reading once again, children. In some families, people stand up when elders enter. Some people touch the feet of elders and talk to them with respect. Okay, children? Children, 14th one, long answer question. Write the values you learn from the statements given below. Choose the values from those given in the brackets. In the brackets they are given, children. Yes, kind and helpful, respecting others and discipline. A. Your parents wake up on time. Wake up on time. What is that? It is discipline. It is discipline. In here the place is there, no children. Here you should write. Okay? And your parents stand up when elders enter the room. Which value it is? It is respecting others. Respecting others. You have to write here. Okay? Your family takes care of you. Kind and helpful. Kind and helpful. Turn the page, children. Page number 8. Okay? D. Your family prays before meals. D. Discipline. It is discipline. Your parents listen to their parents. Your parents listen to their parents. Respecting others. Right here, children. Okay? Respecting others. F. Your family keeps their footwear outside the house. It is discipline. It is discipline. G. Your parents touch the feet of elders. It is respecting others. It is respecting others. Your sister helps you in your studies. It is kind and helpful. Kind and helpful. Okay, children? Yes, children, the next one is multiple choice questions. Which one of the following is a good value? Which one is a good value in that? 4 options are given, children. Yes, which one is correct in that? A. Helping old people to cross the road. Okay, children? Yes. Who helps to run the school? Who helps to run the school? The options are given there. Doctor, lawyer, police, principal. Which is correct? Principal. Yes, children. And the next one is 17th one. The next one is 17th one, short answer question. You have to write it as homework. You have to write it as homework. Okay, children? Which member of your family do you respect the most? What good habit would you like to learn from him or her? About them you have to write here. Okay? Okay, children. Children, 18th one, page number 9. Which of the following picture shows a good value? Why? There are two pictures, children. Which one shows good value? Which one, A or B? A shows a good value. Yes. Put into mark on this picture. Put into mark on this picture here. Okay, children? And picture A shows a good value because the children are helping each other and trying to keep the place clean. I'm reading once again, children. Picture A shows a good value because the children are helping each other and trying to keep the place clean. Okay, children? And the next, children, next long answer question. It is the homework. This one and the 20th. Okay, children? Today's homework. The 17th question, the 19th question and the 20th question. These three questions you have to write in the workbook. The answers you have to write in the workbook. Okay, children? Children, 18th one. Which of the following picture shows a good value? Why? Which picture? A. Picture A shows a good value because the children are helping each other and trying to keep the place clean. Picture A shows a good value because the children are helping each other and trying to keep the place clean. Okay, children? Children, 19th question. Look at the picture and write how will you keep your classroom clean. Your classroom clean. Here it is A. Throw dash. Do not. Keep the blackboard. Do not. Okay, children? Next, page number 10, long answer question. Match the picture with the bad habit in the second column. Also, match the bad habit with the good habit given in the third column. One has done for you. Here in this, children, this page number 10, you have to write this also as a homework. Yes, children? Okay? Children, daily you have to read the lesson. Okay, children? Children, I said for you to write a good habit and a bad habit in a rough book. Yes, have you done it? Yes, you have to write a good habit and bad habit in rough book. These are the good habits and bad habits. The bad habits from today you have to leave that. Okay? Children, write neatly in your classworks as well as in the workbooks. Okay? See here, you have to write A. Okay? Like this. You people don't write like this. The A. Okay? And O. Here. E. For example, if you are writing like this, you people will write like this. Don't write like this. Okay? Write neatly, children. Okay, children? Children, whichever video you are watching now, after listening and watching, you have to write whichever the ma'am, every subject you have to write the STs. If ma'am is telling to write the STs, you have to write and you have to complete your work in time. Okay, children?